So, it's up mga kakalik sex Mika. So, ngayon may mga cards ako dito ng Bini. Unang-una lumabas dito. Si Mika. Ayan. Si Mika yan guys Ang pinakatatako ko dito guys ay is si Mika yung nakalagay sa picture. Ayan, another Mika. Mika yan guys Wait lang guys, I'll get my charger. Bro, guys, my charger is not here. Yo, what the? Is it someone is robbing in my house? So guys, nawala yung charger ko.